tshwarela ngwana magodule ba loyi ba loga go tisa bohutsana matagwa a itontela bojalwa magano a tetse ka mathapa le makgakga bangwe ba bona ba tlile dibaebele o re gongwe ba go bala kante ba go tlhopha lekgala go tswa motho o thaba a roloilwe ga modimo o shakgala ba dise ditsela tsa one ba
Oh, the pain is getting worse. I'm hurt, my love. Shine so bright, shining, shining all through night. When I look at the candle, I see the flames. Inside I hear the candle calling names. Candles are important, they give you light, a sign of hope, a sign of life.
But as I walk through the city, the misery is unbearable, and taking me back to my world of pain and hurt.
Yes, I have something bright on my mind. Something for your hearing, if you please be kind. Beautiful and tall, beautiful and tall. Is this really worrisome at all? When two wonderful people like us fall upon each other like rocks with great mass.
The taste of everything that we have here in Botswana. A big round of applause. No, that's not big enough. Can I please get a big...
Become big for a flesh wound, let alone a spiritual one. Turn a deaf ear to those bugs from the sides. They are worse than the bites. Your will has the power to cast the light on those shadows of doubt. Stay blind to those tempting sides.
See, the habit of stealing from the state are so well known for their media hate. Yes, they are.
Is it really the meaning to be tamed like animals, to blame ourselves for broken jaws? Lions roar in protection of their families, but they squash us like flies, making us wish we were never born, yet claiming.
Laws and policies that are supposed to oversee our lives are now crippling our souls. Governments are failing women and girls, yet they are the vulnerable. Rich people are getting richer and richer at the expense of poor people, and poor people are not getting poorer. And
This poem shall call names like Lumumba, Kenyatta, Nkrumah, Hannibal, Acton, Malcolm Garvey, Haile Selassie. This poem is vexed apart.
As we leave, we'll for sure take part of you with us, and we also leave part of us with you.